Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best climbing shoes for men that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're hitting the gym for a climb or tackling outdoor routes, there's something here for everyone. Don't forget to check out the product links in the description below for more details. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Givong climbing shoes, which are designed to be a solid option for beginners and more casual climbers. These shoes feature a lightweight design with an anti-slip rubber sole, making them suitable for both indoor and outdoor climbing. The shoe's construction emphasizes comfort and versatility, catering to climbers who are still refining their technique. The Givong shoes also sport a simple, low-profile design that doesn't try to overdo it, great for those who want function without the frills. In terms of performance, these shoes are ideal for climbers tackling beginner to intermediate routes. The anti-slip sole provides decent traction, but it's not as sticky or precise as premium climbing rubber. The synthetic upper is breathable, which is a plus for those long gym sessions, but the overall durability may not hold up to the demands of advanced outdoor climbing. However, at $52.99, these shoes are an affordable entry point into the climbing world. The Givong shoes are best suited for beginners or anyone looking for a budget-friendly option. The key downside is that they lack the advanced features, like aggressive toe profiles or high-friction rubber, that seasoned climbers might need. But if you're just starting out or climbing casually, these are a great pick to get your foot in the door, literally. Pros include affordability and comfort, while cons include limited durability and performance on advanced terrain. Coming in at number 4, we have the Solease Professional All-Around Climbing Shoes. These shoes are marketed as a versatile option for both men and women, making them a great choice for gym climbing and moderate outdoor routes. The design is straightforward, with a flat profile that prioritizes comfort over aggressive performance. They are available in a wide price range from $35.99 to $52.99, making them an affordable option for most climbers. When it comes to comfort, the Solease shoes deliver, thanks to their flat last and soft materials. They are well suited for beginners or climbers who spend long hours training indoors. However, the rubber outsole, while functional, lacks the high-friction grip you'd find in more performance-oriented climbing shoes. This makes them less suitable for advanced climbers tackling steep or technical routes. On the bright side, the overall fit is adjustable and forgiving, which is a plus for anyone still experimenting with climbing shoe sizes. The Solease climbing shoes are perfect for budget-conscious climbers who need a comfortable, all-around option for the gym or easy outdoor climbs. However, they are not the most durable or precise shoes on the market. Pros include their affordability, unisex design, and comfort, while cons include limited edging ability and average rubber quality. Taking the third spot, we have the Climb X Rave Strap Climbing Shoe 2019. This shoe is a fantastic all-around option that balances comfort and performance. It features double-stitch construction for durability, a padded collar and heel for added comfort, and a polypropylene midsole for solid support. One standout feature is its one-piece binding, which provides a snug yet comfortable fit. The Climb X Rave is versatile enough for gym sessions and moderate outdoor climbs, and it comes pre-downsized to ensure a performance-oriented fit. Performance-wise, these shoes do a great job for their price point. The rubber sole offers decent grip and precision, making it suitable for climbers who are beginning to push their limits on more technical terrain. However, it's important to note that these shoes are designed to fit snugly, so sizing can be tricky. Beginners are advised to size up for comfort, while more seasoned climbers can size down for a tighter performance fit. At $69.95, the Climb X Rave offers excellent value for a durable and capable climbing shoe. The Climb X Rave Strap is ideal for climbers who want a reliable, mid-range shoe for both indoor and outdoor use. Pros include its build quality, supportive design, and versatility. On the downside, the pre-downsized fit may be uncomfortable for some, and the rubber isn't as high performance as premium options. Still, for the price, it's hard to beat this shoe's overall value. Our runner-up is the Scarpa Men's Origin Rock Climbing Shoes, a premium option designed for gym and sport climbing enthusiasts. Known for their exceptional build quality, Scarpa has crafted the Origin with a focus on comfort, durability, and performance. These shoes feature a flat profile for all-day climbing and a slightly asymmetric toe box that offers precision without sacrificing comfort. The leather upper molds to your foot over time, providing a custom fit. In terms of performance, the Origin excels in edging and smearing thanks to its Vision rubber outsole. This shoe is especially well-suited for intermediate climbers who want to transition to more challenging routes. The fit is comfortable right out of the box, and the materials feel premium. However, at $128.95, these shoes are on the pricier side, which might not appeal to budget-conscious buyers. That said, the durability and performance justify the investment for serious climbers. The Scarpa Origin is an excellent choice for climbers looking to step up their game. Pros include its comfort, precision, and premium materials. Cons are its higher price point and a less aggressive design, which may not suit advanced climbers tackling steep overhangs. Overall, it's a fantastic shoe for intermediate climbers looking for a balance of comfort and performance. Finally, taking the top spot is the Black Diamond Men's Momentum Rock Climbing Shoes. These shoes are a standout choice for their combination of comfort, performance, and thoughtful design. The Momentum features a neutral, flat last that is perfect for all-day climbing, whether you're at the gym or on vertical outdoor routes. The updated midsole enhances edging ability, while the 4.3mm rubber outsole offers durability and consistent performance. Plus, the entire shoe is vegan-friendly and features a breathable knit upper for superior comfort. Performance-wise, the Momentum shines in versatility. The softer toe rands and updated heel rubber geometry ensure a secure fit, while the hemp footbed minimizes odor over time. These shoes are ideal for climbers of all levels, but they particularly excel for those who value comfort during long sessions. At $98.55 to $99.95. They sit at a mid-range price point, but deliver premium features that justify the cost. The Black Diamond Momentum is an excellent all-around climbing shoe that offers great value for money. Pros include its comfort, durability, and breathable design, while the only real con is that advanced climbers tackling steep or aggressive routes may find it less specialized. For most climbers, however, this shoe ticks all the right boxes, making it our top recommendation. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Happy climbing!